Friends, today we are going to explore new airdrop program. It's called YOM Loyalty Program. It's also as simply we can call it YOM Network. So let's today explore this YOM network. First, we go to the X page. YOM is basically a cloud gaming network. It means you can see here. It means ideal GPUs, mm, global cloud, AAA gaming, any device. We don't need any kinds of installs, consoles. We can just play. As we see here, it's backed by major uh, tech companies like Abax, Borderless Caps, CBC Labs, and OBOPU. Uh, I have also found it that it has 4 million collected in seed rounds. So it it will be huge. It may be listed in Binance or also in OKX, Bitget wallet, and many more. So let's check this loyalty program. Uh, you you will find my you will get the link in my description of this video. Just open the link and just click on here YOM duality program. You can check also other airdrops. So when you click on the link, you will land to the loyalty program page. So simply first we have to connect the one wallet. So I'm going to connect here Bitget. You can connect any wallet. So I am connecting my Bitget wallet right now. I have already joined, but I'm showing you from the starting. So here you can see so many tasks I have already completed. It will say to just like follow X page, join Telegram, and here is the main part. You can invite your friends, just like get my referral codes. You can share on your Twitter, Discord. You can also create your custom link if you want to create. Otherwise, just simply you can share your default link. When your friend join from your referral, your friend will get 50 XP and you will get 10% XP as they complete. Here is also history, weekly check-in area, and also this Discord communities where you can join and earn more and more XPs. For now, simply join this airdrop. It will be huge, I think. I think this will be going to be huge airdrop, so join right away. Uh, I will provide the necessary information about this airdrop in upcoming videos. So thanks for the watching.